Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is another video where we are going to get some cleaning done. First, we are going to make sure the baby has some entertainment so that she can be distracted while we get what we need to get done. If you're new here, welcome. We are the Hunters. We are a family of 6. We are a married couple with 4 beautiful children now and a fur baby. As you can see here, life with a big family like this can get pretty messy. So we are bringing you some cleaning motivation because I cannot function in a house that has clutter all over the place. If you enjoy this video and want to see more content like this, be sure to like, subscribe, share the video, and comment down below and let me know what you guys think. So if you've been here before, welcome back fam, and you know your girl has to start out with some coffee. Alright, I'm ready to go, and as you can see, I have a little helper with me today. Huge pet peeve, I hate storing things on top of the fridge, but for some reason we've been running out of a lot of space lately. We have been storing things on top of the fridge even though I hate it. Let me know if you guys have any ideas on what I can do. I guess Gabby's having some cereal. It's just you and me for a bit. So sometimes when we clean, we like to put on music and just jam out. So that is what you see the kids and I doing periodically. We just get so into the song and we love to dance. I don't know how this dining table collects so much junk all the time. But hey, it is what it is. I don't know if these kids are actually helping me clean or if they are driving me crazy. Sometimes they just do both. What are you doing back there, Gabby? Sometimes as I'm cleaning, I like to rearrange things, so I just felt like this side of the counter needed to be rearranged, so that is what I am trying to figure out here. Lately, I have been using avocado oil and I love it. I pour it out into the pour bottle so that my husband won't know the difference, because if he knew it were avocado oil, he probably would not use the oil. Hope you don't see this part of the video, Chase. Alright, time is running out, so time to call some reinforcements for help. The kids are doing so well keeping Ari girl entertained. Because the kids usually have free range in the living room and usually take it over for themselves, I make sure that they partake in keeping the area clean. And now they are going to continue to clean while I take a break and get Ari fed. But you know, they're kids, so they're gonna mess around first. This is pretty much all we are doing for today because Ari took up the rest of my afternoon dealing with her. So the kids are great helpers. They are going to help me finish sweeping up this area and getting all the blankets folded up. And I am just going to tend to the baby. We hope this video gave you guys lots of cleaning motivation. That is what we do this for. And again, if you're new here, like, comment, subscribe. If you're coming back, welcome back. And I hope you like the video, and comment down below and let me know what you think. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Be blessed. And we will catch you later.